Before sending your iPhone for repair, there are a few steps you should take to ensure the process goes smoothly. Number 1. Back up your data. Make sure to back up all of your important data, including photos, videos, contacts, and documents. You can use iCloud or iTunes to back up your iPhone. Number 2. Disable Find My iPhone. If you have the Find My iPhone feature enabled, you will need to disable it before sending your phone for repair. To do this, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud Find My iPhone and toggle it off. Number 3. Remove your SIM card. If your iPhone has a SIM card, remove it before sending it for repair. You can find instructions for removing the SIM card in your iPhone's user guide or online. Number 4. Remove any additional components. If you have any additional components, such as a case or screen protector, remove them before sending your iPhone for repair. Number 5. Gather all necessary documents. Make sure you have all of the necessary documents, including your proof of purchase and any warranty information. Number 6. Package your iPhone securely. Use a sturdy box and plenty of bubble wrap or packing peanuts to protect your iPhone during shipping. Make sure to label the box clearly with the shipping address and your contact information. By following these steps, you can help ensure that the repair process goes smoothly and your iPhone is returned to you in good condition.